Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you some new products that I have from Etude House. I recently attended a pre-launch party with the brand and I received a big doll house containing all the products inside. Etude House is a Korean beauty brand which is going to be exclusively available on Nykaa from January 2019. I have been using some of their products since a few days now, and I have to give you a mini review sort of a thing on some of the products that I've tried. So let's get started with all that I have. So the first product and the one that I'm really excited about are these Placetic 101 from Etude House. These are basically contour and highlight sticks. So you get a highlighting shade on one side and a contouring shade on the other side. The one that I have been using is shade number 01. Shade number 1 is known as Original, the one that I'm wearing on my skin today, on my face, and it gives a very natural kind of a finish. Shade number 2 is known as Intense, and it is going to give you an intense contour because it is more cool toned than the other shades. And then shade number 3 is known as Natural. Light to medium skin tones it will work. For deeper skin tones which are deeper than mine, it may not look that it may not give you that intense of a contour because it is of course a very natural finished product. Each of the sticks comes with a highlighting shade on the other side, which also does a good job, but I find them to be a little too pale for the Indian complexion, so I use it very sparingly. The next product that I really love are these eyeshadow palettes. Now I have two of them with me. This one is known as Play Color for Eyes in the shade Wine Party, and this one is Play Color for Eyes in the shade In the Cafe. So the one that I'm wearing today is known as Wine Party, and it has all these wine inspired shades. These are all there's burgundy, there's a cranberry, there is a very beautiful gold here with a reddish flecks in it, and another very beautiful gold which can be used both wet and dry. And then there are a few neutral shades for your everyday kind of looks. And this one is known as In the Cafe. So these are all mocha, coffee, cafe brown inspired shades, and I think this is also a very beautiful palette, something which everyone can play with. And I might just add this to my monthly giveaway box, so one of you can win this. Okay, so let me also take this opportunity to tell you about the monthly giveaway box that I'm curating for all of my subscribers. One of you can win a box full of new and exciting and some of my favorite beauty products every month. All you have to do is subscribe to my Instagram, this is my handle, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. You're already here, so please take a moment to hit the subscribe button. And at the end of every month I'm going to pick up one winner or one subscriber, one loyal subscriber who is going to be the most active on my Instagram and my YouTube, who leaves comments on my posts, who leaves who likes my posts, who likes my videos, probably also shares them. So every month I'm going to pick up one winner who's going to get a box full of goodies from me. All you have to do is be a subscriber to both my YouTube and my Instagram and just interact with me organically. That's all I request you to do. The next product that I have are these Dear Darling tints from Etude House. These are one of their cult products, and they're these this reddish tint. This one is one of their highest selling product, and this is in the shade PK002. This is a sealed product right now, and I'm still thinking whether I should open it or not, or it should go in the monthly giveaway box. But I've used this one shade known as PK003. I'm using it on my lips and my cheeks today. This is a gel based formula. It gives a sheer coverage. You can apply it to your cheeks and your lips. That's why one of my fingers is red today. And it gives a nice flush of color without looking too jarring, but it gives you a nice you know, that hint of color. That's what tints are for. Really like this shade on myself. Last but not the least, I have a few. So this product is called Mini to Match. So basically what you can do is you pick up a connector like this, and on both the sides there's a magnetic strip. You can then pick up shades of your choice. So there are 5 different shades with me like this. All of them have different kind of packaging, though I'm not able to understand what goes where because a lot of the text is not in English. These are the shades that I have. There's one clear balm here, and then these 4 shades, you can see these are already, you know, magnetic. So you can customize you know, whatever shade you would want to keep with you or you would want to travel with on a certain day, because there's a lip balm on one. You can, you know, maybe use a lip balm, a clear balm like this, and carry it with maybe a matte red lipstick like this. But I really like this concept, so maybe, you know, if I want to if it's winters right now and I want to travel with darker, deeper shades, or if I'm going to a wedding or something, I'll carry a red and a deep maroon with me in a tiny stick form like this. This is very travel friendly, and I really like the concept of being able to customize your own set instead of having preset predetermined shade combinations from the brand. You can always customize, and this is a really cool idea. So that's about it from my Etude House collection. I'm definitely going to start exploring more from the brand, and I'm going to leave links down below. Whenever the brand launches in India, there will be a link down below so that you can check it out online. It's mostly going to be in January 2019, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video and hope you guys enjoyed taking a peek into some of the products that are coming your way. This is the look that I've created with some of these products. I'll leave a link to the video also down below for a detailed step-by-step tutorial. And that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please do give it a big thumbs up. Do subscribe to my channel for more, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.